Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network, and today I just bought this Wirata Ltq1A radio, which is I bought it for my mom and dad because they're quite old, so they don't know how to operate the Bluetooth radio. So I bought the traditional one with tuning and also the bolt, so they can easily know how to adjust the FM and also volume. So the product itself, by the way, if you like the product, the link will be below the video, okay? Link to buy. So this Wirata Ltq1A, usually it's LTQ1, but this is another version, new one with A. And then this is the in front box, yeah, invisible design, and then here okay, 4-band radio, okay, FM MWSW 124 band, okay, on the side. Okay. Behind. You can pause it if you want to really read it. Same. Okay. Inside, another side. This also came with a battery, beside then the power source AC. Malaysian brand, Wirata.com.my. My.com.my. My means Malaysia. Okay, so let's unboxing. Oh, on top, blue, green. It's called black, I guess. Then this is the one that I bought, something like purplish, pink, purple, white, and also red. Okay, they give this together. I don't know if it's from a manufacturer, but I think the seller gave this for free. Power source. Okay. Yeah. And the radio itself. There, 4-band. Tuning. There. Okay. Volume. Up and down. Mono. Only one. On the side, AC. AC in. Behind, chop serum. Wirata. Model number LTQ1A. Okay. DC 3 volt UM. Oh, this one. DC. I'm sweating. material. The handle on the side for FM. Aux in, phone. They don't give the aux AUX wire. So if you want to open it from from your phone or what, or from your TV, and then you link to this, means you have to get your own aux wire. DC 3 volt. Another option. Okay. Let's try it. FM.
News. Okay, I'm excited because Malaysia announces first ever National E-League.
Yep. And an agency under the Youth and Sports Ministry has
not bad for the sound. Nice. Actually, although it's mono. Okay. And how about with a phone? I prepare myself the aux in. So just run this. Not bad. Okay, so that's it. Unboxing and review from me. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the product, the link will be below the video. Bye.